Hello, so I'm going to show you how this works. So this is the Swiffer mop dust cloth. I think that's what you call it. So I'm going to try to do this as best as I can with one hand. So here's the Swiffer thing, and then you just put it like this. And it will cover just like that. And of course it's a lot easier if you had two hands, but and then you just go like this. And there you go. And then you just mop. So of course you have that. And as you can tell, it is doing its job. You can see the wetness. Of course, mopping with one hand isn't easy either, but so then you just do that. And you just use it as you would if you had gotten one of those disposable ones. So of course, after I do this video, we'll go back and really do it. But as you can tell, it still works. And then of course, if you can see the bottom, then all you do is just take it off, and then you just, you could put it in the washing machine and you can dry it. Or you can, instead of putting it in the dryer, you could just lay it flat and let it dry that way.